Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Muhammad Hasan. I'm an engineer currently doing my PhD on fractal antennas. Now lately you have been seeing that I haven't been able to upload videos in this channel consistently. Sorry for that. Now there are many reasons why I haven't been able to upload videos in this channel. The main reason is I have been working on different things and those works require a lot of time. For example, I'm taking a lot of amount of classes now for physics and my PhD work has become a little bit more intense. So I need to give a lot of time there. So creating videos, creating script, and then editing becomes difficult nowadays. And also due to the Ramadan month that is currently going on, things are becoming more difficult to carry this passion of creating videos a little bit more difficult for me. Now I'm back again thinking that I need to create some videos and I need to talk about some issues that are very important for students' life. Now this issue is not only for students out there but also people that are working in professional department. For example, you are a student, you want to study and create your own career, or maybe there are people that are working on some kind of IT departments, or maybe they are creating their own thing, their own passion. But the question pops up is, I don't feel motivated to do the work, or the work is not fun. So this is the thing I've seen, and most people become exhausted and burn out in their work and they lose interest in the thing that they do, and then things becomes quite dull and life becomes unproductive and unhappy. So I need to address this issue and tell you how to make your work more fun so that you can live a more happier, healthier and more productive life. Now if you have been following this channel, then you know that I like to do multiple things. For example, I teach students physics that are preparing for their medical entrance exam. I also do my PhD work and I also create YouTube videos. Now when it comes to YouTube, then there are multiple things that you need to do in order to make your videos more interesting. For example, scripting the video so that the content that you're creating flows beautifully. Second, you need to edit those videos. You need to color grade those videos in order to make it more professional. You need to add animation, text, titles, effect, transition. All these things are needed so that your videos look interesting, and these things require a lot amount of time. So how I'm able to maintain all these things while being a student as well as working as a professional teacher? The simple answer that I can give you is I just love doing the things that I do. Like, I'm passionate about the things that I'm doing and I absolutely love it. Like, I actually love the process as I'm doing those work. That is what makes things possible, and that is where the magic happens. Now I'll very quickly go through some of the steps that will help you to fall in love with the work. I'll start by giving you a quote that is, so when I started doing these productivity videos, I came across a quote which I absolutely love. It says that do the things that you love, but if you cannot do so, then do the things that you're actually doing in a way that you fall in love with the work. Oh man, it's amazing quote. I absolutely love it. So how to make your work that you're doing actually more fun? The first step is you need to set a dream or a goal that you're passionate about. So this is the most important thing. For example, you want to be a doctor, then you need to set your dream to become a doctor. If you want to be a graphics designer, then set your goal in that way. If you want to be a YouTuber, then set your goal in that way. The first thing is you need to set a goal that you're passionate about. Now, once you've set your goal, now the second step is you need to change your mindset about doing your work. Now, I'll give you an example to explain this point to you. For example, you are preparing for your medical entrance exam and you need to study physics, and physics is a bit hard subject. But since you need to study physics and that is the key subject that will help you to enter into your medical career, so what you need to do is, if you think it in this way that, oh man, I need to study physics again, it's boring, I don't know whether I'll be able to crack the exam or not because these chapters are difficult. If you think it in this way, if you think in this line, then it will be difficult for you and you won't enjoy the work that you're doing. As a result of which, you'll start neglecting that subject and hence you won't get success. So in order to make your work fun and enjoy the journey, what you need to do is you need to shift your mindset. What you need to do is you need to tell yourself that, oh man, physics, okay, so let's have some fun. I'll be studying this chapter, maybe electromagnetic induction. So yeah, I know this chapter is difficult, but let's have fun. Let's see how many questions I can do it. You need to think it in this way. Okay, if I cannot do the sum, then I'll try again. I'll see what are the concepts that I'm missing so that I can fill up the gap. So yeah, I'll be more strong in that subject, in that domain that I actually lack. So in this way, if you have a mindset of growth, Like if you have a growth mindset and a mindset of enjoyment, that is enjoying the journey as you move along, then you will just live a more happier life, and the work that you are doing will become more funful and enjoyable, and you'll enjoy the thing that you're doing. So yeah, mindset matters. I'll give you another example that creating these YouTube videos are difficult sometimes. It's boring sometimes. So in order to make this thing interesting, you need to change your mindset. While I was recording this video, I said to myself, oh man, I'll be shooting another video. It's difficult. If I think along this line, then I would have never been able to shoot these videos because this takes time. So what I do is, okay, let's shoot this video. It will be fun. I'll be learning new things. I'll be trying new things. Let's see how much I can pull out from this setup. Let's try something new. Let's change the background color. Let's see how I can edit with a flat profile, or how much I can color grade, how much I can make the videos more professional. Let's experiment. It will be fun. So I always think in this way. Once I start thinking in this way, then the process really becomes fun and I start enjoying the process. So this is step number 2. You need to set a growth kind of mindset, a mindset that will help you to enjoy the process. So this is step number 2. Now, step number 3 is also very important. You need to have a good clarity of what you're actually doing. I'll give you an example to explain this point. For example, again, I'll give you a physics example since most of the students that are watching these videos are students. So maybe tomorrow you need to do some kind of physics questions in order to revise certain chapters in order to move forward towards your goal, because exams are near. So if you think in this way that, oh, tomorrow I need to study physics, let's see how much I can do. This chapter is a bit boring and difficult. So if you think along this way, then the next day when you wake up to do those things, then it will be difficult for you because you don't have clarity what you actually need to do. You know you need to do physics, but you don't know what in physics you need to do. So having clarity actually helps you to enjoy the work. For example, if you are clear that tomorrow I'll be doing 30 questions of physics, then you are very clear about your goal. So next day when you wake up, you know you need to do 30 questions. So bang, start doing your work as quickly as possible. Just do those 30 questions and so your work is done for the day. So you need to have clarity. If you have clarity of what you are actually doing, then that will also actually help you to enjoy the work that you're doing because you know what you are actually doing. If you don't know what you want to do, then there are many gray areas, and that is actually what makes things a little bit more boring because you don't know what you are actually doing. So yeah, if you are creating videos for YouTube, you should actually know what you need to create and what you need to talk. That's why scripting is important. So yeah, I'll be talking about how to create videos for YouTube maybe down the line. This is a different video as of now. So yeah, these are the 3 steps that you actually need in order to make your work more fun. First step, set a goal that you're passionate about. Step number 2, you need to have a good mindset, a mindset of growth. Number 3, you need to have clarity of what you are actually doing. If you can maintain these 3 things, then the thing that you are actually doing will be fun and you will start enjoying your work. Yeah, so this is all about this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please consider doing so. And I'll be bringing more fun videos like these, more interesting videos for this that will actually help you to grow as a student. Till next time, bye-bye. I'll catch you all in my next video.